Hi, thanks for tuning in today. We're grilling up some butterflied chicken on the flaming coals Parrilla with a zesty pineapple twist. Sweet and smoky is one of those flavours that we absolutely love here at Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and that's why I'm so excited for today's cook up. But firstly, we need to get our fire going, and we're going to set up for a 2-zone cook. To learn more about how to cook on a Parrilla grill using a 2-zone cooking system, click on the link below in our description and watch all the full details there. Now before we mix up our marinade, let's sort out our chicken. Now today, to reduce our cooking time, we're going to be cooking this chicken butterflied style. So all you need to use is either a pair of shears like this, some chicken shears, or a really sharp knife. So our first step is to pat the chicken dry. Then, using your chicken shears, cut down either side of the spine to remove the backbone. Flip the chicken over and put enough pressure to break the breastbone. Our chicken's been butterflied, so it's time to get our marinade ready, starting with our pineapple juice. Next, we'll add our soy sauce. Some mixed ginger. Crushed garlic. And our barbecue sauce. Today we're using our Cosmos Q competition barbecue sauce. And mix to combine. Our marinade is smelling absolutely sensational, so it's time to pop it in a bag and allow it to marinate for about 40 minutes or up to 24 hours if you've got the time. Our fire's ready, our chicken's ready. It's time to put the chicken on the Parrilla grill on the cooler side. And what we're going to do is put the legs closest to the hotter part of the grill. Now we're going to start the cook with the skin facing up. That way, when we move to the hotter zone, we can flip the chicken and get a nice crispy skin. Our chicken has been cooking on the cool zone for just over an hour. Now this was quite a large chicken, it weighed about 2.3 kilos. So the only real way to know whether it's time to flip it over and move it onto the hot zone is with an instant read thermometer. So we're going to pierce the fleshiest part of the meat with the thermometer and see whether it's time to flip. Okay, so the breast is reading 46 degrees Celsius, and that's ready to move over to the hot zone. Our chicken has been cooking on the hot zone for about 45 minutes. We're just going to test the internal temperature using the instant read thermometer and get it off to rest. 72 degrees Celsius. I'll just take another reading. Absolutely perfect. We'll take it off. While we're waiting for our chicken to rest, we're going to put our slices of pineapple on the grill, leave them on each side for 3 minutes, just to give them that nice char flavour. This recipe worked brilliantly with salads, on tacos, but today we're keeping things simple and we're just going to shred the chicken and have it with our pineapple. It's time to dig in. Get a bit of chicken, our pineapple. That pineapple is delicious, so's the chicken. Need some more? Thanks so much for watching. To see the full recipe, just check out the description below. If you have any feedback, leave us a comment, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of our epic Parrilla videos.